Good evening everyone. Today class is area under plane curves. This topic also known as the application of definite integral. So area under bounded region or area under bounded curve. We know about the function. If the function f is continuous and non-negative, that means function is non-negative, means the graph of the function above the x-axis in a closed interval AB, then area of the region below the curve y equal to f of x above the x-axis and between the two coordinates x equal to a and x equal to b is given by a equal to area is symbol by a integration over a to b f of x dx, or commonly we use the area equal to integration from a to b y into dx. So how the formula comes from, how the formula is defined come from, or how this geometrical meaning of this integration. So explanation, according to the data, we draw a graph of the function y equal to f of x. Suppose it is bounded by the two coordinates x equal to a. We know about the graph of the straight line. X equal to a means the line parallel to y axis. This line is your x equal to a, and another coordinate is x equal to b. That means the line parallel to y axis at a distance from b. This length is x equal to this. Equation of the line is x equal to b, and curve of equation of the curve is y equal to f of x. And find the area bounded by the curve. What we want to find, the area bounded by the curve and x-axis above the x-axis and between the two coordinates x equal to a. ता माने से कहूँ x-axis ऊपर थिबा एवं कर्व बिलो रे थिबा बा तळे थिबा एवं दुईटी ऑर्डिनेट x इक्वल टू a एंड x इक्वल टू b भितरे थिबा जो शेडेड रीजन रो एरिया एतिकी हबो. तो फर्स्ट हाउ आमे एहा डिराइव करिबा को जाउचे बा एक्सप्लेन करिबा को जाउचे जे फार्मूलाटी आसिला केमिति बा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ दिस concept area under curve. So required area, we want to find the area of ACDB. Required area of ACDB. We want to find the irregular shape. Basic concept, how to find area of a irregular shape by using the integration. Integration basically used for area of finding the area under area of irregular shape in function of one variable. Two variable is this different thing. Integration meaning is different thing, but in one variable definite integration means find the area under a curve or area under a bounded curve. So let p be any point on the curve. Let p be the any point whose coordinate is x comma y, be any point on the curve. Again we choose another point which is neighborhood to the point q. Q be the neighborhood point of p. आमे q गोटे एमिति भाबरे पॉइंट चूज करले जे कि बहुत पाखरे अछि, p रो बहुत पाखरे अछि. The coordinate of the q is x plus delta. That means this length is x and this length is y, because coordinate of p is x y. So we take the length of mn is delta x, then the length of this on is x plus delta x. Then what is the coordinate of q? Coordinate of q, x component is x plus delta y. X plus delta x, and coordinate of y, component of y is this length is y, and suppose this length is delta y. The total length is y plus delta y. Then coordinate of q is y plus delta y. Then we represent the mathematical representation. Mn is delta x, nq is y plus delta y, and mn is delta x. And pm pm equal to y, correct it, pm is equal to y and q equal to y plus delta y, mn equal to delta x. Let area of ACPM, area of ACPM, ACMP, this area is denoted by the notation A. हमें A area टाको कौन मिले A, और area of ACNQ, AC A area टाको हमें कितने मिले, A area टाको हमें मिले कितने A plus delta y. Then what will be the area of this? The area of this region is delta A is equal to area of PMNQ. PMNQ A area टा कितना है ना, एक पूरा एरिया रू ए एरिया को माइनस कर ले, बाकी पहुंचेगा कोटा ए एरिया, दैट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ PMNQ. Now we find the area in the portion of this PM. So now area of rectangle PMNR. Now we find area of PMNR is equal to length into, we know, area of rectangle PM A rectangle row area length into breadth, that is length is PM into breadth is MN. So PM is y, MN is delta x. We get one equation. Again, area of rectangle SMNQ is equal to area of this rectangle is equal to length is this MN, length is QN into breadth is also MN, that is equal to y plus delta y whole into delta x. Got it? Then from the figure we observe that area of PMNR, from the figure we observe that area of this portion, this region is lesser than area of this region. A area टीरो A region रो area ठारो छोटो, आउ A दुईटी एरिया region रो एरिया ए बड़ो रेक्टेंगल रो एरिया ठारो छोटो, तामे सबुठारो बड़ो एरिया किए SMNQ रो एरिया, आउ सबुठारो छोटो हैला PMNR. तो एरिया ऑफ PMNR is less than or equal to area of PMNQ less than equal to area of larger rectangle SMNQ. Clear? Now we know that area of PMNR is y delta x less than equal to area of PMNQ is delta A less than equal to area of SMNQ area is y plus delta y whole into dx. Now we divide dx, the small increment of this length, so always length is always positive, so we can divide it y less than equal to delta A divided by delta x less than equal to y plus delta y. Now we taking the concept of limit, where this point Q is very close to P. When Q is very close to P, suppose एठी अछि Q ताले Q एठी पड़े आसो, ताले ए जो लेंथ delta x tends to 0. When we changes the point Q towards the P. When Q is very close to P, then delta x is tends to 0 and delta x tends to 0. If this delta x tends to 0, this length delta y, this length is all your, this length is delta y. So when we Q is very close to P, this delta y is also tends to, delta y is also tends to 0. Delta y is also tends to 0 and delta a, this area by delta x, it tends to, this tends to dA by dx. Then this is suppose 1. Then limit delta x tends to 0, y less than equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta a by delta x, or this is limit delta x tends to 0, y plus delta y. This is not included the variable y, so x, so it can be written as y, and this is your dA by dx. This is also written, we know that when delta x tends to 0, delta y tends to 0, that means this goes to 0, only left is y. But this relation implies that dA by dx is equal to y. dA by dx equal to y. Integrating both sides with respect to x. Now integrating both sides with respect to x, then integration over dA by dx into dx y from also limit from a to point A, this point is A, this point is B, from A to B, y dx. This is your integration over A. The integration is dA integrated from A to B, which is integration from A to B y dx. Then this can be written as A for area, A to B is equal to integration from A to B y dx. This language is written as area bounded by the curve at B सहित जति कर्व आड होछि माइनस a पाखरे जति कर्व आड होछि. That means value of area when x equal to, that can be written as value of area when x equal to b. माने जतले x equal to b लाइन अछि सेते बेले एरिया केते कर्व होछि एटा. ओके, तार माने एई थारु आरंभ करे दरला माइनस area, value of area when x equal to a गुटे आरंभ पॉइंट रे कोन से एरिया तयारी करि न थाए, which is equal to integration from a to b y dx. That value of area when x equal to b means this covered by the x equal to b line. X equal to b line area, this is your area of ACDM minus 0 is equal to integration from a to b y dx. So area of shaded region is equal to integration from a to b y dx. This is your proper explanation of the concept. Now we discuss two notes about related to this concept. What are they? When the area below the x-axis, then area is, we say, negative area. So we know that area never negative, so we take modulus sign. So we give the two notes related to this. If a function f is continuous and non-positive in the closed interval AB, then the curve